can you do this to your fellow African? Not like the person is staying there illegal or something like that. Some of them just came for a visit, and then some of them also, they are there for working, and then they are legal in the country. So what is going on in South Africa? Let's watch. In fact, this is very bad. And then as a country, the president and then the leaders have the right to protect all the residents and then all the visitors or anybody coming to the country. So if the military or the police is also involved in these activities, that means the president or the leaders are also aware.